guys, I'm from Math Academia, and today we will be reviewing a question on triangle, quadrilaterals, and polygons. So this question states that AFJD, AGHC, BGFE, and BHID, CIGE are straight lines. Basically, all the lines that you are observing on this diagram are straight, and they would want us to find angle A plus B plus C plus D plus E. So this diagram may look a little bit daunting at first because it's made up of triangles and pentagon. However, let's break it down together. So we know that angles in the triangle add up to 180 degrees. So does it mean that if you were to study one triangle, so let's just pick triangle AJC, this would mean that angle AJC would equal to 180 degrees minus angle A minus angle C. Right. And if we were to apply the same logic to the rest of the angles in our pentagon, we would realize that angle EIB equals to 180 degrees minus angle B minus angle E. And angle DHA equals to 180 degrees minus angle A minus angle D, and angle EGC would be 180 degrees minus angle C minus angle E, and lastly angle DFB would equal to 180 degrees minus angle B minus angle D. We have also learned that the sum of interior angle in a polygon is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. So in this case, we have a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides, so therefore let's replace n with 5. So we would have 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees, which gives us 540. Now that we know that the sum of an interior angle of a pentagon is 540 degrees, does it mean that I can add all of the angles that I have found previously, and this will give me 150 degrees? So if I were to add all of them, I'll get 180 minus B minus D plus 180 minus C minus E plus 180 minus A minus D plus 180 minus B minus E plus 180 minus A minus C. Let's simplify my expression. So I have 5 terms of 180. Alright, so 5 times 180, I will get 900. Okay, next I have 2 terms of A. Right, so minus 2A. I have 2 terms of B, so minus 2B. I have 2 terms of C, so minus 2C. I would have 2 terms of D, so minus 2D. And lastly, I have 2 terms of E, so minus 2E. So this gives me 140 degrees. So let's move all of our variables to my right side of the equation and 540 to the left side of the equation. I would have 900 degrees minus 540 degrees equals to 2A plus 2B plus 2C plus 2D plus 2E. Okay, 900 minus 540, I would have 360 degrees. And since I realized that all of my variables on the right side of the equation have a coefficient of 2, Let me factorize out 2. So I'll have 2 times a plus b plus c plus d plus e. So therefore, I arrive at the conclusion that a plus b plus c plus d plus e gives me 180 degrees, which is my final answer. All right, I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you.